AmeTori! AmeTori has been popping off. I have to say, I don't know. I've been feeling some fuzziness when I think about Ame. I feel very nervous around her. I don't know what it is. But no, I still love Callie, but with Ame, I don't know. She makes me nervous. No, never mind though. She was so sweet to rescue me yesterday in Minecraft. I don't know if you saw it, but I posted it all on Twitter. Asked in our Minecraft Discord if anyone could help me and save me, and Ame replied. Yeah, and then Ame replied, oh, so sweet. Like she had what, 2 days on that day, 2 streams on that day, and she still took the time to find me. And she was there pretty fast actually. Only took her 30 minutes. And then she also led me back home. I didn't even have to look at the courts. She led me. I felt so protected, and I could rely on her. That was cool. Ame kakkoi. Ame-chan kakkoi. Watch out for Gura. I'm not trying to do anything, okay? Just wanna be close friends with Ame.